Hello, Algebra 2 people. Today we are going to continue working with complex numbers, and the first thing we're going to do is find the sum of -4 plus I and -4 minus I. Sum means addition. This is really easy. You know how to do this already. You just put the like terms together just like you have been in your Algebra 1 days, except instead of an X, we have an I. So here they are written together with the plus sign. I rearrange the terms and put the two -4's together, put the two I's together. -4 plus -4 is -8. I minus I is 0. The two of them add to -8. So the sum of -4 plus I and -4 minus I is negative. Okay, now that we know how to find sum, we are going to find product. So product means multiplication, so I'm going to put them in parentheses. -4 plus I times -4 minus I in parentheses. And again, do like we always do, multiply or FOIL, as I like to call it. If you like to draw the generic rectangle, you can do that. So here I am distributing the -4 to both of those in the second set. So -4 times -4 plus -4 times -I. And then I'm going to distribute the I to these two on the right side. So I times -4 and I times -I. Go ahead and start multiplying things. -4 times -4 is 16. -4 times -I is a plus 4I. I times -4 is a minus 4I. And I times -I is -I squared. Note that the 4 and the -4I are going to cancel each other. And what does I squared equal again? -1. That's your big aha from the other day. You need to hold on to that yet and not let that go. So I squared is -1. So here I am with the 16 bringing that down. The 4I and the -4I canceled. And this became minus -1. So I squared is -1 and there's a minus in front. So we have a double negative going on, which means we need to add. Turns out to be 17. So the product of -4I plus I and -4I minus I is 17. Here's one for you to try. Find the sum and product of 3 minus 5I and 3 plus 5I. Click the answers when you are finished.